What are the benefits of raking leaves? If you need some reasons to motivate yourself to get that blanket of red, yellow and brown leaves off your green lawn, consider the many benefits that raking offers you and your lawn. Appearance. If you like your lawn clean and neat, the sight of autumn leaves over the green grass will really get you going. Cleaning the leaves away is the only way to get your yard back to its neat state. Mulch. Leaves can do double duty as mulch, insulating your bedding perennials over the winter. Rake leaves, then pile them in a 2-inch layer in your garden bed. They will shield plants from cold and break down naturally over time. Sanitation. According to Utah State University Extension, cleaning leaves is sanitary for the yard. By raking and disposing of leaves, do you remove any bacteria in the leaves? For example, if the tree had a disease and you reduce the chance of bacteria developing under the blanket of wet leaves. Health. Don't forget about the benefits of leaf raking on your health. As the AARP notes, raking leaves is considered moderate physical activity that works your back, abs and arms,